Hi everyone, welcome to the shack. Very cold in Oxford today, as it was yesterday, as it has been across the country. The weather's obviously changed a lot because 2 or 3, 4 days ago it was very, very windy, and I wasn't too worried actually about my mostly my wires are supported by telescopic glass fibre poles. Because I haven't actually had one fail for quite a long time, but I was in the shack late one night a couple of nights ago, and I noticed that the match on one of my MFJs had changed on 40 meters, because typically I use the BLA 350 with the 7300 on 40 full chat, so 12 watts in, I think 300 watts out. The match changed, the inductor value changed from H to I, which I thought was a bit odd, but I didn't think too much of it. And then when I answered a call on 40 full power, 300 watts, where normally there's no issue at all, the BLA tripped out for high SWR. So I turned the input power down to 10. It was fine for a bit, and then it complained again of high SWR and had to reset it. And so then I sort of took a closer look, and I realised that one of the telescopic supporting poles, well, the one actually has got a U-shaped fitting on it that's attached to the house that guides the wire over the roof, had completely sort of de-telescoped itself, and so the wire was basically resting on the roof, which explains the change in the bare match of the wire. So the impedance of the antenna's obviously changed, and so I've had to rectify that, and that's basically just caused by the wind wobbling that support pole around. So I fixed it late last night, and everything is now working again. I've just worked a station on 40 meters, Sierra Papa 9 165. Sierra Papa 9 Papa Kilo Mike on 17.165, on full power with the BLA, and with no problem at all. In fact, I'm sure he's still there. He's talking to someone that I can't hear.
Sierra Papa 9 Papa Kilo Mexico. Sierra Papa 9 Papa Kilo Mexico.
So I just worked that guy on full power, and everything seems to be working well. So so there you go. So freezing today. I've got to go into the office. It's on days like this when it's nice to have a warm, comfortable car. One of my cars is, and one isn't. So but that's fine. And yeah, I think it's going to be cold throughout today. I think it warms up in the next couple of days. But I think the weather's generally going to be changeable, so so there you go. Nice to have a bit of snow. It's quite nice to see it, but yeah, how can I put it? It's bloody freezing. So there you go, a winter wonderland in Oxford. So I'm going to finish my cup of tea, maybe work at a couple more stations, and then I've got to head into work. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. 73.